For I am already being poured out like a drink offering, and the time has come for my departure. I have fought the good fight. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith.
To commemorate the late Archbishop Janan Luwum, the third Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, and Boga Zaire.